You may be aware of artificial intelligence and its incredible potential to assist people. Well, today on How to Use, we're taking you to another level of AI. Meet Firolauss, your blockchain-powered AI assistant. You are watching How to Use on Polkadot Insider. Created by Neuolanche X Labs, Firolauss is the first AI program to possess human behaviors and emotions that focuses on health and education sectors. She is designed to serve the health sector in various roles, from lab assistant to personal health assistant for users, personal trainers in sports, and coaches in specialized areas like nutrition. Now let's find out how to get her assistance. To use Firolauss AI, you must first download this app to your smartphone. At the moment, Firolauss is available on both App Store and Google Play. After successfully installed, let's create an account to start experiencing Firolauss AI. Step 1. Register with your email. Step 2. Enter the verification code. Now you can voice or type the text to use Firolauss. For example, with texting, click on the chat icon, then type the question that you want to ask. Let's try with what is Polkadot, and here is her answer.
Polkadot is a blockchain platform designed to support various interconnected, application-specific subchains called parachains.
We've shown you the basis. Now it's time for you to explore what Firolauss can do. See you in our next video. Like and subscribe to Polkadot Insider.